Hi guys, it's Rachel here and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this quick and simple watercolour greetings card that would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Here's what you'll need. A blank card base which measures 13.5 centimeters squared when folded in half. A piece of coloured card which is 12.4 centimeters squared, and a piece of watercolour paper which is 10.4 centimeters squared. Greaseproof paper or any other non-stick paper, some masking tape, and some scissors. You will also need some watercolour paints, a paintbrush and water, and I forgot to show a pencil and some kind of adhesive. I'll be using double-sided tape. And here's how to make the card. Step 1. Take your non-stick paper and place some masking tape on it. You'll need enough to cover your piece of watercolour paper. Now take a pencil and draw some hearts on the masking tape. I'm going to fit 9 on my card, but you could draw yours larger and have fewer hearts, or draw them smaller and have more hearts. It's also a good idea to draw more than you'll need in case you make a mistake when you cut them out. Once you're finished drawing the hearts, grab your scissors and cut them all out. Step 2. Take your watercolour paper and attach it to a board with some masking tape. I usually use the back of a watercolour pad. Now take your masking tape hearts and start arranging them on the watercolour paper. Then remove the backing and stick them down. It's a bit fiddly to get the paper off the back, so you might find a craft knife helpful. But of course, please be careful when using a sharp knife. Step 3. Now we're ready to paint. Grab your watercolour paints, water and a paintbrush, and cover the paper with water. I'm going to create a gradient with my paint, so I'm starting with a pink layer at the top. Then I'm adding red at the bottom and working that into the pink. And finally I'm adding some purple at the bottom and working that up into the red and the pink. Then I continue by adding more pink at the top and more purple at the bottom, then a bit more red in the middle. Once you're happy with your first layer of paint, leave it to dry, or you could use a heat tool like this one to dry it out quickly. Next I added a second layer of paint with the same colours as before. I dried the second layer and then added a third and final layer of paint. I added some random drops of paint for a finishing touch. Step 4. Once your paint is completely dry, you can begin peeling up the masking tape from around the edges. Then very carefully begin peeling off all of the masking tape hearts. As you can see, I don't have very long nails, but I was still able to gently remove the masking tape by rubbing it slightly at the top. And this is the finished watercolour design. And now for the fifth and final step, we're going to assemble the card. Take your blank card base, the square coloured card and your watercolour painting and stick them all together. And that's the complete card, a simple and effective design. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you try this project, or just to say hi. I'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe to see more art, craft and pen pal related videos in the future. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!